Hey Mitchell, how you doing? This is the video I was telling you about, and I'm gonna run over everything with you real quick. So as you see here, I have your home page pulled up, and what I do is SEO and it's search engine optimization. I know what Google likes to see in order to get your website pulled to the top of the rankings. That way you generate more business. So I work with the Google and the GMB, the Google My Business, which is Google My Business, you should be getting 30% of your business, and the other 70% should be coming from your website. As you see here, you are right here. That's a little further down on the third page. A lot of people, 75% of the people choose out of the top three of the Mac Pack. Just 1, 2, 3. That's why I only work with limited people, because I can't work with 4 people and then have my 4th client down up under the map pack, because that wouldn't be fair to them and it wouldn't be true to what I do. I aim for these 3 top spots here. If we start working together, I can send you some screenshots of my past clients that I've worked with, that I still work with, but over the past 3 months you can see the growth that they have. This isn't an overnight fix. This is something that I can do to your website, implement these changes, and then what we do from there is go over things like content, keywords, citations, backlinks, things like that. Now, what I love about your page is you've got your call to action right here. As soon as someone comes in, they can see this button, which is good, because if I've got a hole in my roof, I don't care about what your website says. Most people don't care about what your website says. They just want to come in and get this number. Like I said, 75% of people that searching for services pick the top 3. And usually if they can't get a hold of the first one, they go to the second and third and so on. That's why it's important to get you to the top 3 on that local map listing. So first thing I noticed, like I said, I love that your call to action is right here. They can get in touch with you immediately. But there's just lacking content. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on just your home page. Now, all of your pages kind of link back to this home page. Everything that you've got in your drop down. See, this is an opportunity for us to have 5 more pages, in which each one of those 5 pages will add 500 to 700 words of content on those pages, which is what Google's looking for, and helps outrank your competitors. Now, here is the number 1. This is number 1 in local map listing. Not a lot different from yours. I mean, their page is quick, to the point, but there's no content here. Their about is the same thing. It's just there's no content here. Another little cool trick I can show you is, this is really trick of the trade. See how they've got this image saved? It's page 2. What I do is I add more images. So Google loves images. So whatever your top competitor has, if they have 10 images, I'm going to put 20 on yours, 30, anything I can do to blow them out of the water. But I save them as keyword intents: Owensboro roofing, Owensboro, Kentucky, things like that. That way Google sees that and identifies your pictures, because they don't see pictures, they see words. All they see is the text in that picture. So I'll set your pictures to have keywords in them as well. I want to show you this cool little tool that I have, and this is why I'm so confident in my services. This tool is a paid tool that I pay for. It is Ahrefs, and what it does is it shows why you're being outranked. So if I look at ProFinish, they are number 1 in the map pack right here, and that's an ad. So I really don't count the ads. We can outrank the ads as well. So what we got here is URDR. This is the strength of their site and the trust. And, you want these numbers as close as possible together. You divide them into each other, and you want it to be a 1. And as you take a look here, actually, it's pretty impressive. This is a really good trust popularity to your site. This is a really good number. We just need to work on the trust. And where we get trust from is backlinks. As you see, they've got 82 backlinks, and you've got 4. Backlinks are your URLs in another blog post, another roofing post, something like that has your URL in it. And as you see, you've got about 4. I checked these earlier. Most of those are citations. You have 3 no follows, which means that your link is somewhere that's not clickable. You have one do follow link, which is that person clicks on your link, it brings you here. But the biggest thing that I see is your organic keywords. You have 0 and you have no organic traffic coming from this website. And like I said, you should be getting 70% of your business from this website. They've got 34 organic keywords and they've got 22. So they get 22 extra people to their page each month just from the content on their page. And like I've showed you, their content is minimal. This is nothing that we can't beat. So content, 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page and 500 to 750 words on the next 4 pages behind that, because we want at least 5 pages total counting your home page. And then you have backlinks. What I do is I go in here and I see where they get their backlinks from, and then I mimic that for you. So I go in here and see where all these backlinks come from, and I just go to these sites, and then I get your same backlink. So not only will we have the exact same amount of backlinks as them, but we'll have extra because I have connects on backlinks as well. A lot of times they have like yellow pages, white pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, and those are citations. Those are something that you can do yourself. Like I said, you can go to Yelp and put in Ford Construction, put in your address, and put in your phone number, and that counts as a citation, which gives your website even more strength. Okay? So, like I said, we got content. We cover that. That's nothing. We can add a lot of content to your home page to smoke out your competitors, and then we'll add 500 to 700 words on the rest of these pages. Now, they're dropped down. They have extra services. What I'd like to do for you is make each one of those separate pages that they can click on like they have here, but there's no content. You know, they've got pictures, which helps, but they're not saved correctly, and they have no content. So, content's the first thing we're going to do. Content is king. Content is king. The backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. You can have 20 backlinks that will outrank their 93 or 83 backlinks, because it's not the quantity, it's the quality. They can go get a review at Pizza Hut and leave their domain in there, and yes, it will count as a backlink, but it has no trust and it has no popularity because it's not from a roofing site. What I do is not only can I create blog posts in favor of your site with all your buyer intent keywords, but I also link those to your page so you have stronger backlinks. So we got content, backlinks, and citations. Those are 3 things that you can work on yourself to improve your website. Stuff some more content in here. Like I said, I have a few tools that I have that tells me the keywords that you need for your area that are buyer intent, like roof damage, Owensboro Roofing Company. Usually when people are searching those words, they are looking for jobs to be done. My name is Leo Arona Mitchell. Thank you for giving me the time to talk with you today and show you a few things that you can do to your own website. If you can do them, that's awesome, man. At the end of the day, I just want to help local businesses and underdogs. That's what I'm here for. I don't have anything against the top 3, but they're not my top 3. So I try to knock the top 3 out. I'm coming to the Owensboro market next, finding me a few clients to dominate. Hope you'll join the team, Mitchell. My name is Leo Arona. My cell phone is 270-841-3600. My email is leo@aronamarketing.com. That's where I'm going to be sending this to you from. All I ask, Mitchell, is that you please watch this video and just give me some feedback, what you think about it. Have a good day, sir.